that was late.
River to Boones Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 7 p.m.
That was late.
At 5:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts
Oh, shit!
along a line extending from near Boones Island to Coral Point, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or waterspouts. Source.
I'm recording. Give me a second.
Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly high winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations include Greenville State Park,
Water spout possible.
Couple Creek, Drum Point, Pongo River, Fishing Bay, Point No Point, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs. The targets: Bivalve, Richland Point Buoy, Brooms Island, Deep Island, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Harbor immediately. Here is the official message for Upper Delaware.
Guys, another marine warning.
Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay
Oh, it froze.
Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Bloody Point Light to Flag Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater in waterspouts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Blacklenet Point, Roman Cook, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Flag Harbor, James Island,
This is gonna be a double header.
Shady Side, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
No.